Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. We're here to celebrate. It's a special day. Let's see, drink and dance the night away.
Happy birthday to
Yeah. You're kind and caring, funny and bright. You fill our hearts with joy and light. So let's make some memories tonight and dance until the morning light. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. We're here to celebrate. It's your
Happy
special
birthday po,
day.
Mama.
Let's see, drink and
Happy
dance the night
birthday po,
away.
Ma. I love you po.
Yeah, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lola Tas. Happy birthday, Lola Tas. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola Tas. I love you, Lola Tas. Hello, Lolo B. I love you, Lolo B. Nini, miss you. Thank you always.
Happy 80th birthday, Ma. We miss you here. We love you. Ingat kayo dyan palagi ni Papa Vid.
Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And take care always. We love you.
We love you, Ma. Papa, we miss you. Love you.
Love you pa.
Happy Valentine's Day. Hello, Lola Tas. Happy birthday to you. Thank you for all the love and care. I wish you more birthday to come and good health. I wish you and Lolo David come back to Philippines and see me. I miss you, Lola. I love you.
Chase, can you tell her
Happy birthday. Love you.
Yes.
Gusto ko na yung mga baon mo sa akin dun. Ayun, healthy ka lang dyan. Chill ka lang.
You love it or
Ayun.
you hate it?
Hindi ko alam ito, hindi words of affirmation.
Happy birthday po, Lola Tas.
Happy birthday po, Ma. Love you, miss you. Make America great again.
Sana po na bumalik po ulit kayo dito at stay well po lagi. Love you po.
Ingat po kayo dun sa US. Si Trump. President Trump. Si Elon Musk.
Ito sa staff.
Hi Auntie Tas, happy 80th birthday. Though we're not there to celebrate with you, you know that you're always close to our heart.
Wishing you a day filled with joy, love, and laughter, Auntie. Our prayers for you to have long and healthy, satisfying life. God bless, and we love you.
From the Albano family, we're greeting you a happy 80th
80th
birthday.
birthday. We love you, Auntie.
Hello, Auntie. Auntie Tas, happy birthday. Stay healthy at ingat lagi dyan sa Texas. Happy birthday, Auntie. We love you.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. Ni 80 kay gaya, may kunak lang ng 70 kay pelaing, Auntie. Anya ka di sikreto yan. Anyway, Auntie, ang piwis ko kanya kit good health saka adupeng nga birthday ti dumting kanyayo. I love you, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tas. Kumusta kayo amin dita? Ni David, kumusta met? Hindi kita ubing. May you have more birthdays to come. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Auntie! I wish you all the best in life. Sana good health po kayo lagi. God bless you always. And enjoy your life with Uncle David. Kasama din yung mga anak nyo, sina ate, kuya, at mga apo nyo po. So, always be happy. Dapat relax na lang kayo. Huwag na kayong masyadong magpaka-stress. Huwag mag-isip-isip ng kung ano-ano. Kasi hindi na kayo bumabata. Tumatanda na po kayo. So, yan. Enjoy your life to the fullest. Yan. I miss you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie! Namimiss ka na daw ng kawayan, Isabela, sa Kapalataw. Auntie, I love you so much. Alam mo yan. Love you.
Happy birthday, Manang Tas. Love you. God bless.
Hello, Manang Tas. Kumusta kayo? Happy birthday, Manang Tas.
Happy birthday po, Ma. I love you po. Sana po you stay healthy and strong. We miss you po.
Happy birthday po, Mama Tas. First, I'd like to say thank you very much. We are forever grateful for you because you raised us since we were kids and up until our teenage years. We love you very much and we wish you great health. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan and stay safe. Enjoy your day po. Peace.
Happy birthday, Ma. Thank you for your unconditional love and support sa amin at sa pagtsatsaga sa pag-aalaga kay Papa. May God grant all your wishes come true. I wish you more birthdays to come and good health. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I love you forever. Bye.
Happy birthday, Manang Tas. Wish you good health always. Love you and God bless you.
Hi, Takasintas. Happy birthday. May God grant you all the blessings you deserve. Stay sweet, happy, and healthy. God bless you. Hugs and kisses. Love you all there.
Ma, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wish you all the best and good health always.
Ma, happy birthday ulit. Wish ko lang, sana lagi kayong malakas at hindi magkakasakit. We miss you and we love you so much.
Looking forward na makasama kayo uli, Ma.
Yeah. And
Happy birthday uli.
thank you sa pag-alaga nyo kay Papa. Sana makapunta kami dyan. Enjoy your birthday, Ma. We miss you so much. Love you. Happy birthday.
Good morning. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Manang Tas, I love you, sister.
Wawa Tas. At you sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Wawa Tas.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Apo Diyos, sapay ko matugdag pa lang tibiyag tayo. No, at kinita tayo kanayon. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hello, Manang Tas. Kumusta? Kastamit kini Manong Bid. Inagkuma kablawan ti naimbag nga panagsangay mo. Happy 80th birthday king ka, Manang ko. Inaklay karakararag nga sapel kuma. Kaya tinapindas latta ti panabagbagin. Dita karadkad mo, ti inaldaw-aldaw. Ko mga baybayan may tabagbagin. Ken maalagam nga nasayaat. Taptukas takit mayat latta. Ti salsalon at tayo. 80 years old ket nagkita pakit na piksa kayo kasla dilas nga nagmeet tayo ket di di nakabansag na ti Mining. So, sapay lang mamanang ko ta maabot no pay ti manungatawin ti lubong ti rabaw ti daga. Ket dati lang kumatit, dati lang ti ako nga inak nga ipaiking ka dati tas nasalo ko ti data sa lunat mo. Ako mabebe na magbagay basta may tinmanong bit. Nga amok ta siyempre. Total kit na pigsakay pa, ilang nang lor na kita ta Amerika. Alagaan nyo latamanang ti magbagayo. Sa pelawad at nanto ti pagsasarak tayo. No, pagpalubos niya ako. Ket birthday yung gayam into no Domingo. Agsarano ka kinitatang ko, 17 of February ti birthday na. So, kablawan ta kayo. Enjoy your birthday. And hope to see you soon. I miss you manang ko. God bless and all of you there sa mga anak mo. Kumusta po sa kanila lahat? Greetings po sa kanila lahat. Thank you and happy birthday manang ko.
Go!
Happy 80th birthday, Ma! We love you! Enjoy!
Thank you for everything. Thank you for the love. More patience. Good health always for you and Papa. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Tas. Love you. Stay happy and stay strong always.
Happy birthday, Auntie. We wish good health always and we love you. We miss you here. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday po, last.
Happy birthday. Wish namin
More
good
birthdays
health,
to
more
come.
birthdays.
Good health. And always take care of yourself. Love you, Auntie.
Love you, Auntie.
Bye.
Ikaw na, manang Joy.
Hello, Tas. Happy 80th birthday. May you have more birthdays to celebrate. Wishing you the best in everything. Good luck, good health. God bless you and your loved ones. Happy birthday, Uli. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Manang Tas. Kumusta kayo? Happy birthday, Manang Tas.
Happy birthday, Manang. My sister. Wish you good health always. I miss you. And I love you. Ingat ka lagi. Enjoy your day.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Sorry hindi ako makapunta dyan. And hopefully, magkita-kita ulit tayo very soon. Yes, so anyway, happy birthday Ma. Wishing you a day filled with love, joy, and happiness. Just as much how you bring all of those to everyone around you. I love you Ma. Happy birthday and I hope you enjoy your day and mag-ingat ka palagi at alagaan mong sarili mo at kayo ni Papa. Okay. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Manang Tas. Wish you good health and long life. Ingat kayo palagi ni Manong dyan. Stay healthy and happy. I love you.
Hello, Auntie. Auntie Tas, happy birthday. Stay healthy at ingat lagi dyan sa Texas. Happy birthday, Auntie. We love you.